What is the connection between PLC and SEL? Well, let's start with the foundation. Learning is the through line of our work. Learning drives everything we do. Then anything we address should be done in terms of whether or not it advances or impedes the learning. How does social emotional learning support your effort to ensure student learning? I'm sure you see a clear connection between leveraging SEL skills and practices and moving learning forward with your students. PLC is about organizing to ensure mastery of essential learning outcomes. Once you decide what's essential, then the PLC process is about organizing to ensure every student masters them. Every student, because you've deemed it essential. PLC question 1, which is, what must every student know and be able to do? In a PLC, the need to knows becomes the targets, skills, and competencies we rally around. That's why teachers collaborate in teams. Because to ensure mastery for all students, no one teacher has all the answers, so our best shot at 100% of our students mastering essential content is to collaborate. Now, I bet you can see the instant interconnectedness between PLC and SEL. And so often I hear debates about whether or not we should address SEL before learning, or do we do SEL or learning? And I'm telling you, that's an emphatic no. There's no SEL before learning or SEL or learning. The bottom line is the need for SEL support should be driven by the quest for improved student learning. In the end, SEL and PLC work together to ensure mastery of essential learning outcomes.